Hello students, I am Hira Mishra, your English teacher. Today we will start the first chapter, second part and second paragraph. Okay, so let's start with me. When I passed the town hall, there was a crowd in front of the bulletin board. Means when little French passed from the bulletin board, that time he had seen there were crowd. Means a lot of person were collected near to bulletin board. Okay, bulletin board means notice board. जहाँ पे कोई भी सूचना चिपकाई जाती है, कहीं से कुछ आता है तो वहाँ पे लिखा जाता है नोटिस। ऐसी नोटिस बोर्ड के पास बहुत से लोग इकट्ठा हुए थे। ओके, फॉर द लास्ट 2 years ऑल आवर बैड न्यूज हैड कम फ्रॉम देयर, द लॉस्ट बैटल्स, द ड्राफ्ट, द ऑर्डर्स ऑफ द कमांडिंग ऑफिसर, एंड आई थॉट टू माई सेल्फ विदाउट स्टॉपिंग, व्हाट कैन बी द मैटर नाउ। It means when little French reached there near to bulletin board, because there from last 2 years only bad news were coming due to war, and war time bad news only come from outside. So little French thought that any bad news again he thought came there. So means commanding officer's order may become, and he thought without stopping, what can be the matter now। मीन्स अब की बार कौन सा मामला है जो बुलेटिन बोर्ड के पास इतनी सारी भीड़ इकट्ठा हुई है। इट्स थॉट बाय लिटिल फ्रेंच। ओके, देन as I hurried by as fast as I could go, the blacksmith watcher who was there with his apprentice reading the bulletin called after me, "Don't go so fast, Bub. You shall get to your school in plenty of time." It means when little French passing near to bulletin board, then he ran from there as fast as he could means run. In this way, hurriedly he passed away. And the blacksmith watcher and who was there means persons who collected there, gathered there with his apprentice. Apprentice means trainee, means pupil, जो सीखता है। Okay, reading the bulletin board, they were reading that bulletin board, whatever notice was pasted। Okay, called after me, उन्होंने उसको बुलाया। Don't go so fast, Bub. Bub means lad, means लड़के इतनी तेज मत भागो। You shall get to your school in plenty of time, means you have much time, you can reach the school timely। Okay, don't go hurriedly। I thought he was making fun of me, but little friends thought that they were making fun। उसको लगा कि वे उसका मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं। एंड रीच मिस्टर हैमल्स लिटिल गार्डन ऑल आउट ऑफ ब्रीथ। आउट ऑफ ब्रीथ मीन्स so fastly he was running, so that time it's going so fast, so their breathing also become fast। मीन्स हाँफते हुए वो पहुँचता है मिस्टर हैमल, वो जो टीचर थे उनके गार्डन में। ओके, यूजुअली व्हेन स्कूल बिगैन देयर वाज ए ग्रेट bustle। bustle मीन्स नॉइज। bustle, it's given there, it means noise। Okay, which could be heard out, and in street the opening and closing of desk, lessons repeated in unison very loud, with teachers great ruler rapping on the table। means it is the usually whatever happen in school is running। Students, a word here given, unison. Unison means chorus. Chorus means एक साथ लेसन्स रिपीट कर रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स. ओके. वॉट एवर यूजुअली means happen in school that was be running. There was a great bustle which could be heard means out in the street. रोज ऐसा होता था कि कुछ ऐसे नॉइजेस होते थे कि जो गली से ही सुनाई देते थे, बट नॉट हैपन ऑन दैट डे. द ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग ऑफ डेस्क, ऐसा भी होता है, बच्चे डेस्क ओपन करते हैं. लेसन्स रिपीटेड इन यूनिसन्स मीन्स दे actually and usually repeated the lesson together very loudly with our hands over our ears to understand better, and the teacher's great ruler rapping on the table. Teachers अपने रूलर्स को टेबल पे जो रखते हैं शांत करवाने के लिए, वो आवाज़ भी आती थी रोज. बट नाउ इट वाज आल्सो स्टिल, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था आज. आई हैड काउंटेड ऑन द कमोशन टू गेट टू माई डेस्क विदाउट बीइंग सीन. और वो ऐसा लिटिल फ्रेंच भी फील करता था कि वो डेस्क तक पहुंच जाता था बिना देखे. बट ऑफ कोर्स दैट डे एवरीथिंग हैड टू बी एज क्वाइट एज संडे मॉर्निंग. इट मीन्स लिटिल फ्रेंच सीम्स ऑन दैट डे everything being silent mode, nothing voice is coming from there, and it looks like the Sunday morning, because on Sunday always holiday and no one present in school, and that day he seems same condition because no one was speaking and doing anything else. Though the window I saw my classmates already in their places. Means little French have seen from the window their classmates were already means present on their places. Okay. And everything was happen there running. Mr. Hamel walking up and down with his terrible iron ruler under his arms. I had to open the door and go in before every day. And little French also opened the door and used to go there. You can imagine how I blushed and how frightened I was. It means little French was very frightened, means having very fear, because class already going and he have much more hesitation how to enter the room. But nothing happened. Mr. Hamel saw me and said very kindly, "Go to your place quickly, little French. We were begging without you." Means Mr. Hamel had seen the little French and ordered for sitting in class, and he had also said very kindly on that day, because that day was the last lesson of Mr. Hamel. Okay, students, read it and understand well. Okay, thank you.